Bugatti revealed that he was working on the first brake caliper printed in 3D. Finally, it is ready to show the calibrator in action. During recent caliper tests, Bugatti installed it on a machine to mimic the speed and forces of a Chiron, braking from 233 mph to 375 km per hour. While the brake disc shines orange when it exceeds 1000 degrees Celsius, the titanium brake caliper adapts without problems. The new Bugatti caliper has 8 pistons, measures 16 inches in diameter, weighs only 6.4 pounds (2.9 kilograms), which makes it 40% lighter than those currently used by Chiron, and can withstand 275 pounds (125 kilograms) of force per millimeter square. Bugatti's next mission is to accelerate production to the point where 3D printed technology is available in volume. If you can do it, you may see calibers like this on decidedly more affordable trips.